Hey, fellow travelers. Welcome to Lisbon, Portugal, a city where history meets modernity and a vibrant culture is captivating as its stunning landscapes. Today, we'll explore the heart of this enchanting city, delve into its rich history, charming neighborhoods, and of course, its legendary nightlife. Nestled in the Seven Hills overlooking the Tagus River, Lisbon boasts a picturesque panorama that is both timeless and dynamic. Its cobblestone streets wind through the colorful neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. Let's start our journey in Alfama, the oldest district where narrow alleys lead to historic landmarks like St. George's Castle. As the sun sets, the energy of Lisbon transforms, and the nightlife comes alive. Head to Bairro Alto, the Bohemian quarters, where you find lively atmosphere with an array of bars, restaurants, and fado houses. The narrow streets filled with soulful sounds of fado, Portugal's traditional music that tells stories of love, longing, and saudade. For those seeking a more cosmopolitan vibe, explore Baixa, the downtown area where the iconic Praça do Comércio sits. This grand square, facing the river Tagus, is surrounded by elegant arcades and, and is a hub of activity day and night. Now make your way to the vibrant Rossio area, where the Rossio Square is the beating heart of the city. Lined with cafes, historic buildings, it's a perfect spot to soak in the lively atmosphere. As night falls, Rossio transforms into a lively hub, offering a mixture of entertainment from street performers to trendy bars. From the historic charm of Alfama to the bohemian spirit of Bairro and the modern vibrancy of Baixa, Praça Comércio and Rossio, Lisbon's nightlife is a celebration of diversity and tradition. So, whether you're captivated by fado melodies or dancing the night away by the river, Lisbon invites you to experience a nightlife like no other. Come explore Lisbon, where every night is a celebration of life, music and the beauty of Portugal.